Let's get crafting. Now in this video we will be doing I promise you, a fun artwork with materials that you can readily find around your home or in the dollar store for a great price. The first thing we need to do is tear bits of the masking tape, roll them over on themselves, and put them around the perimeter of the canvas. Ensure that when you put the bits of tape on the perimeter of the frame, they do not come further than a ½ inch or so in, because you don't want them to take up more space than the tape itself. The width of the tape will take up, because the tape will be used as the border or the frame for the artwork. Now it's time to lay the lace over the canvas. Now you lay your lace according to what design you want to transfer onto your canvas. And after you have gotten to where you want to be, then go ahead and start taping around the perimeter to create your border. It's a good idea to wear gloves when you are doing the project, actually at this point, because now we're getting ready to use the spray paint. Now it is very important that you shake the spray paint before you start and hold the can straight over the lace. Don't hold it at an angle, because you don't want the paint to go under the lace. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.